Hello everyone, Richard Ash, Folkcraft Instruments. Today's dulcimer demonstration is of a FolkRoots D series mountain dulcimer. This instrument is set up as a bass dulcimer. We'll come to that in just a little bit. We have a quarter sawn red oak for the back and for the sides. The top is Sitka spruce with, of course, our fleur-de-lis sound holes. The fretboard and the flathead are both walnut. We went ahead and used gold tuners on this one. And of course, gold strap buttons to match the gold tuners. It looks really sharp. Actually, I pointed to that. I'll come back to this in a minute too. That's not a strap button, that's a strap jack. We'll come back to that. Anyway, Sitka spruce top. Traditional fretting, no 1.5, no 8.5, but it does have 6.5 and 13.5. This instrument is set up 3 strings, D-A-D. And this is a bass dulcimer. So normally, you've got 3 pitches, D, A, D. Well, here we're starting on this D. So this is this high string, the high bass string, the one closest to the player, is the same pitch as what is normally the low string on a standard mountain dulcimer. So we would have high, medium, low, and we're starting with the low and going down from there. D-A-D tuning 3 strings. This instrument also has, boy, that sustain is still going on. The instrument's just shaking because of the vibration. This one has the LR Baggs pickup in it. So if you look underneath the bridge, you see that little glint of metal there? That's the actual pickup. There's a wire that goes from there out here to the output jack. You take a cord and you run that out to an amplifier, and you can make this instrument quite loud and quite powerful. And the pickup is just a really nice thing to have. All right, 3 strings, D-A-D tuning, bass dulcimer, and I'll play a little bit of Shenandoah, a little bit of Wildwood Flower. One of the things we run into with a bass dulcimer, when you strum across all the strings, it can get really muddy. Baritones are the same way, basses are worse. We've used a special roller wound brass string for all 3 strings that doesn't have the level of mud that you usually get with the bronze wound strings. So you do get some good clarity with that. I'll play Shenandoah to start with.